Which animal's milk can be fatal to humans? A. Lioness. B. Fox. C. Wolf. Correct answer is a lioness. How long does it take for sunlight to reach Earth? A. 8 minutes 20 seconds. B. 5 minutes. C. 12 minutes. Correct answer is A. 8 minutes 20 seconds. When did mobile phones first come to India? A. 1991. B. 1995. C. 2000. Correct answer is B. 1995. Which is the smallest state in India? A. Sikkim. B. Goa. C. Tripura. Correct answer is B. Goa. Which country first made education compulsory for children? A. USA. B. Germany. C. France. Correct answer is B. Germany. Which country has the highest number of post offices in the world? A. China. B. India. C. Russia. Correct answer is B. India. Which place is called the Queen of Hills? A. Mussoorie. B. Shimla. C. Darjeeling. Correct answer is A. Mussoorie. Where is Lalgarh Palace located in India? A. Jaipur. B. Jodhpur. C. Bikaner. Correct answer is C. Bikaner. What is the highest civilian award in India? A. Padma Vibhushan. B. Bharat Ratna. C. Padma Shri. Correct answer is B. Bharat Ratna. Which city has the most expensive locality in India? A. South Mumbai. B. Lutyens Delhi. C. Goa. Correct answer is A. South Mumbai. Which Indian city is famous for making perfumes? A. Kannauj. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. Correct answer is A. Kannauj. Which country invented paper? A. India. B. China. C. Egypt. Correct answer is B. China. Which country is the most advanced in computer technology? A. India. B. China. C. USA. Correct answer is C. USA. After the resignation of the President of India, within how many months must the election be held? A. 3 months. B. 6 months. C. 1 year. Correct answer is B. 6 months. Where does India receive the highest rainfall? A. Cherrapunji. B. Mahabaleshwar. C. Mussoorie. Correct answer is A. Cherrapunji. Which global pandemic spread in the year 2000? A. SARS. B. Nipah virus. C. Yersinia plague. Correct answer is B. Nipah virus. At what age can one get a driving license in India? A. 16 years. B. 18 years. C. 21 years. Correct answer is B. 18 years. Which animal expresses emotions similar to humans? A. Monkey. B. Elephant. C. Dog. Correct answer is B. Elephant. Where is the Sun Temple located? A. Puri, Orissa. B. Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. C. Nalanda, Bihar. Correct answer is Ipuri, Odisha. In which country is eating snakes common? A. India, B. China, C. Japan. Correct answer is B. China.